Hi, Plim Plim.
Hi, friends.
I see there are many animals here.
Yes.
Let's play a game. Plim Plim, want to play?
Count me in.
Let's play. Which one of these two animals is bigger? Is it the dog or the hen? That's right. The hen is smaller than the dog. Let's play on.
Ooh.
Which one of these two animals is smaller? Is it the cow or the sheep? That's right. The sheep is smaller than the cow. Let's play on.
Ooh.
Which one of these two animals is smaller? Is it the cat or the chick? That's right. The chick is smaller than the cat. What fun, Plim Plim.
Great.
Plim Plim, shall we sing the animal sound song?
Let's do it. Would you like to play along now with the animals we love? Listen to the way that they sound. Listen as they come around. Listen to the way the horse neighs. How he sounds when walking by. How his tail sounds when he swings it. And then listen one more time. Listen to the way the horse neighs. How he sounds when walking by. How his tail sounds when he swings it. Then he calls the next in line. Listen to the way the dog sounds. How he sounds with every bark. How he sounds when he is panting. And then listen one more time. Listen to the way the dog sounds. How he sounds with every bark. How he sounds when he is panting. Then he calls the next in line. Now let's listen to the turtle. How she sounds when walking by. How she sounds when munching lettuce. And then listen one more time. Oh, let's listen to the turtle. How she sounds when walking by. How she sounds when munching lettuce. Then she calls the next in line. Listen to the way the cat sounds. How he sounds each time he purrs. How he sounds when he gets playful. And then listen one more time. Listen to the way the cat sounds. How he sounds each time he purrs.